In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run your workflow in Smartsheet. We'll walk through, step by step, how to manually trigger an existing automation workflow from one of your sheets. This is especially useful when you've made updates to your data and you don't want to wait for a scheduled trigger, or when you simply want to test that everything in your automation is set up correctly. First, open the Smartsheet sheet where your workflow is already configured. Once you're in the sheet, look toward the top menu bar and find the option labeled Automation. It's usually displayed alongside other main menu items like File and Data. Go ahead and click on Automation. This is your main hub for anything related to automated rules, alerts, approvals, and other workflow actions connected to this sheet. After clicking Automation, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, choose Manage Automation Workflows. This opens a panel or window that lists all of the workflows associated with the current sheet. You'll see each workflow by its name, along with its status, such as whether it's turned on or off. This view is helpful because you can quickly confirm that the workflow you want to run is active and that you're selecting the correct one, especially if your sheet has several different automations. Next, locate the specific workflow you want to run manually. Move your cursor to the right side of that workflow's row. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on these 3 dots. This menu gives you additional controls for that particular workflow without having to open its full details. In the options that appear, look for and select Run Now. Choosing this tells Smartsheet you want to immediately execute that workflow based on its current configuration and conditions. It's a powerful option, so it's a good habit to quickly double check that you've selected the correct workflow before proceeding. Once you click Run Now, Smartsheet will usually display a confirmation window. Here, you'll see a button labeled Run Workflow. Review what you're about to do, and when you're ready, click on Run Workflow to confirm. This final click triggers the automation right away, applying its actions to the rows and data that meet its criteria. After running it, you can monitor the results by checking